Buddies, so it's about 10 a.m. in the morning. We are kind of behind schedule, but we are staying at a beautiful hotel. Just check this place out. Wow, बढ़िया, एकदम बढ़िया. So we were lazy to leave this place, and now we are going to Hundar. Hundar, na? Right? So I don't know how long it will take, but I'll keep you updated. Raju sir, ready?
Ready. All set.
All set.
Raju sir is always ready.
We are on the way to Hundar now. हम जा रहे हैं हुंदर और एक 5 किलोमीटर का रास्ता है. But as you see these roads, they look okay, but you find a lot of stones and pebbles and sand, you know. So हमें बहुत careful रहना पड़ता है. You got to be very careful because यहाँ पे medical help also you don't get it easily. So you definitely don't want to put yourself into some serious trouble. And we've been riding for 2 days now, and हमारे बैटरी वगैरह भी, और batteries are almost low, memory cards are almost full. And the issue we face in Ladakh is the hotels that you stay in, there is a very regular power cut. Power cut is very common, and it's not back for hours and hours. Of course the generator is there in the hotels, but it's expensive for them to run the generator, right? उनको generator चलाने के लिए they'll have to burn a lot of diesel, so that's understandable. Anyhow, we are kind of okay now, but I'll not be recording too much today because I don't have much memory cards, space on memory cards left. Alright, check out this beautiful landscape here. Like mountains, वगैरह वगैरह. क्या सुंदर था. Beautiful. I really feel like riding very fast here. Last night I was riding my friend's Duke very fast. But again, it's not recommended at all because you're on a tour enjoy कीजिएगा, enjoy. See, this is what happens. I had absolutely no clue that van was coming from the other end. It's a very narrow road, two-sided road. So when you're on a tour, enjoy the tour. And this is like where we are heading to in Hundar. They've got sand dunes. So you see this on left and right. यहाँ पे आपको दिखेगा पूरा desert kind of sand, beach kind of sand. Probably hundreds or thousands of years ago, this all would have been a small sea. That is what nature is. Every thousands or millions years, काफ़ी कुछ change हो जाता है. Seas become deserts, deserts become seas, oceans. You know, the evolution, the ecology that keeps happening. Ladakh, इतना majestic जगह है. It's magical. It's mysterious. It is so beautiful. It's got such wide variety. Snow, mountains, deserts, sand. क्या? Like, कितना कुछ है यहाँ पे. You realize the value of life, value of oxygen here. When we are living in our cities, we don't realize the value of oxygen. यहाँ पे oxygen इतना कम है that you okay, Hundar 2 more kilometers. Oxygen इतना कम है that even walking 100 feet, 200 feet, you realize, God, I should plant more trees घर के पास in cities, because without oxygen there is no life. एंड लाइफ में एक बार तो इफ एनीवन हु लाइक्स एडवेंचर दे शुड डू अ लद्दाख ट्रिप. नाउ इट डजंट मैटर बाइक पे करो, कार में आ जाओ, टूरिस्ट पैकेज पे आ जाओ, पर एक बार लद्दाख ट्रिप कर लो. सी ऑन द राइट साइड all sand, you know, sand dunes, you see. So एक बार तो लद्दाख करना चाहिए यार. Like this is beauty of nature. कुछ हजार फीट के ऊपर it is all snow, mountains, freezing cold, and here it's like a desert, all sand. Beauty of nature. So buddies, you know, prepare yourself, plan for it, save money, and if you can do it on a motorcycle, nothing like it यार. Beautiful, beautiful. And मैंने और एक चीज़ देखा है, I've seen another thing, that is the number of women accompanying their boyfriends or husbands is so high these days. I mean, out of 100 riders, एटलीस्ट 60-65 राइडर्स के साथ उनके गर्लफ्रेंड्स वाइफ्स थे यार एज पिलियन. एंड मेनी वीमेन वर राइडिंग सोलो. आई मीन सोलो मीन्स यू नो अलग बाइक पे इन ए ग्रुप. इट्स ब्यूटिफुल एंड आई रियली रेस्पेक्ट एंड सल्यूट दोज वीमेन हु आर सिटिंग पिलियन. मेरे दोस्त यहाँ पे रुक गए फॉर मी. सिटिंग पिलियन विथ their boyfriends or husbands, because a Ladakh trip on a motorcycle is not easy. 10-10 घंटा ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है दिन में. रोड इतना बुरा रहता है, सस्पेंशन keeps hurting your back. But these women are accompanying these men. I mean, what else does that man want in life? Yeah, most of the time when men get married or they get a girlfriend, life really changes. They can't really go on these kind of rides because those, I mean, you know, they're women, they don't like it. But very, very positive thing what I've seen this time. Oh, how beautiful is this? Many people love drone shots, but remember one thing: if you have a military establishment anywhere nearby, like 10 किलोमीटर के अंदर ना, डोंट टेक अ रिस्क. पुलिस वालों से भी बात करके या पैसा खिला के यू नो यू कैन स्टिल गेट अवे विथ कॉप्स, बट पुलिस, आई मीन मिलिट्री, देयर इज नथिंग दैट यू कैन डू. सो इन अ प्लेस लाइक दिस आई वुड लव टू फ्लाई माई ड्रोन, बट military establishment is not even 1 kilometer away or half a kilometer away. Yup, be very careful. So buddies, our Duke is stuck here.
Okay.
Front wheel and rear wheel both are stuck in Hundar.
Row.
जाओ पीछे जाओ.
1, 2, row. 3.
Excellent.
Okay. ठीक है जी. हाँ.
बस.
Throttle less and go. Now to go. Yes, over.
So, buddies, my friend Bulu Bhai is going to ride in the sand in Hundar, and I'll be videographing him. चलो देखते हैं, मज़ा आएगा यार. guys, it was a lot of fun. Although I did not ride on the sand dunes, the sand area. Bulubai did, and our friend Moto Stories did. It was great fun just to watch them. अब हम करने वाले हैं. We are going to cross that tiny river. Looks very easy, but it definitely is not, because it will have a lot of slippery pebbles and stones. And our expert riders, Gulubai and also Motor Stories,
Both are crossing.
Stick, they are going to cross it. And I'm going to, if they fall, I'll laugh. If they cross, I'll appreciate. Let's see. This was a surprise, huh?
This was a surprise for us.
Yeah.
Which bike have you come on?
I'm riding his Dominar. We also got one Avenger. Yeah.
Dude, what the hell? This was a surprise. I knew that he was around late.
Yeah. Mine was a sudden plan.
Okay, it's blinking.
Recording, yes.
Yeah. So, yeah, everyone. After this Disket Monastery, it's been a motovloggers meetup again. We have Vikas Rachamala here.
Yeah, it's a surprise.
It was a
Almost no
surprise
one
to meet
knows
you
I'm here.
guys.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be very nice. So, you
Now,
came
how's
with
the ride
Gulubai,
been?
no?
Yeah. I landed directly in Leh.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Time constraints. So, but it's been nice.
You
Going back on
passed
17th
Kardungla.
morning.
You passed Kardungla today.
Yeah, yesterday itself.
Yeah, we crossed Kardungla yesterday. Today
One
we are
second, I'll
crossing
just stop this.